what are the problems that women face?
Women start their day with a chaos. मुझे ये करना है, मुझे बच्चे को स्कूल भेजना है, मुझे सुबह का कुकर लगाना है. So the moment you start your day with so much of stress, with so much of to-do list in the morning, उससे क्या होता है कि cortisol बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. Why there are so much problems in conceiving these days? Why only IVF is the only go-to?
Are we sleeping right?
None of us is sleeping right. Reason being screens. Because it doesn't let your brain get into a calmer state. Guys are having most late nighters. 3 बजे सो रहे, 4 बजे सो रहे. Alcohol, smoking, everything is at its peak.
How weight loss makes you more confident? You said that 30 plus women gets more confident after they have the physique that they wanted.
On a weight loss journey, you start eating things in balanced way, right? Your macros are corrected, your micronutrients are corrected. And any women, all of us would agree कि किसी भी female को मोटा दिखना अच्छा नहीं लगता.
We are facing is that इतने pollution में आप you are running and health आपकी अच्छी नहीं हो रही. Whereas if you see other countries, mostly people are going for a hike with their children. छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी hike कर रहे हैं, कहने का मतलब अपने यहाँ पे कोई culture ही नहीं है ये सारी चीज़ों.
क्योंकि आप देखो वही कर सकते हो जो आपके पास accessibility. अब जैसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया है, यूएस है, you have lot of hiking places. You don't have those here. Nature नहीं है, हम कहीं ऐसी जगह नहीं बना रहे कि only places that are opening is food, cafe.
सिर्फ खाना ही दिखता है. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कुछ भी हो गया तो क्या खाने जाना.
खाना is emotion for us.
What are the supplements that you recommend you should take after turning 30?
Vitamin C, multivitamins, omega, magnesium.
A lot of Indians now are obsessed with Korean skin routine. So you said that on your Instagram bio that you help 30 plus women transform their life, basically less anxious and more confident.
Yep.
So how does that happen?
You said rightly कि everything is from here. You tried losing weight, but something here didn't change, right? Why 30 plus women? 30 plus, firstly, I have lived that life because I myself is a 30 plus female, right? So I know what goes into a female's psyche. Plus 2-3 generations पहले की females, even I would say a generation back and my generation as well, females are always taught to be givers. So they were never taught that. They were always say कि अच्छा family ने ये बोला है ये करना है. If you are married, your in-laws, your family comes first, you come last, right? I have a specialization in hormones and gut. Okay, so I've done a specialization from New York University. So what I understand is all females per se, males and females, both of us have some hormones which are same, some hormones which are a little more and less in as per the gender biasness, right? So what happens is कि हमारा hormonal panel जो है वो यहाँ से control होता है. और हमें ये किसी ने नहीं सिखाया है कि सुबह अगर हम 30 minutes खुद को दे तो हम जो 23.5 घंटे लोगों को देंगे ना वो ज़्यादा fulfilling होंगे. What happens is women start their day with a chaos. मुझे ये करना है, मुझे बच्चे को स्कूल भेजना है, मुझे सुबह का कुकर लगाना है, मुझे खाना पकाना है, महाराज आएगा तो अगर कुक है तो कुक आएगा तो उसको ये करना है, हस्बैंड आज यहाँ जा रहा है. So this is the list with which a female gets up. So what happens in when you get up in the morning, there's a cortisol awakening response in everybody's body that starts from the first ray of light that enters in your eyes. So the moment you start your day with so much of stress, with so much of to-do list in the morning, उससे क्या होता है कि cortisol बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाता है. cortisol बढ़ता है, उसका रिजल्ट ये होता है कि आपको क्रेविंग बहुत होता है, इरिटेबिलिटी बहुत होता है. cortisol सबसे बड़ा प्रीकर्सर है सारे मेजर फीमेल हॉर्मोन्स का. क्यों आजकल अभी ही PCOD इतना सुनाई दे रहा है, क्यों अभी ही इतना सुनाई दे रहा है कि इसको आई वुड से दे हैव hormonal imbalance. Why there are so much problems in conceiving these days? Why only IVF is the only go-to? Women can conceive easily and nicely till their early 40s. Even in their perimenopause, they can conceive. But why all these things are there? Because our lifestyle is a problem. So coming back to your journey of weight gain, I will say even I have lived that journey. As a teen, I was a very fat girl, having all kind of hormonal issues, having body image issues. Unlike you, the girls used to like the chubbiness of yours. Guys didn't like me.
I was just kidding, you know that.
But it is very rightly said, right? So that happened. So that is the reason I tried a lot of dietitians as well. 10 किलो कम किया, 15 किलो बढ़ा दिया, 8 किलो कम किया, वापस 10 किलो बढ़ा दिया. So I was very frustrated कि I don't want to do this. Because if this is the way I want to do it, so I'm very happy in my own skin. So that's where the entire journey started. And that's why I realized that working on this is a very important part with this as well, what you put into your system.
Very right. Because as you mentioned earlier, that first 30 minutes that you give to your body will have an impact to the rest 23.5 hours that you're gonna, live.
Yes.
So how does that happen?
See, what happens is there's a beautiful, I always keep on saying on Instagram as well, or when I meet anyone, slow start to the mornings are the key to a beautiful day, because that is the time when you wake up. Your first 30 minutes, your subconscious brain is active. So तब आप अपने बॉडी के साथ, अपने दिमाग के साथ जो भी करोगे वो धीरे धीरे अडेप्ट करेगा. हम सबके साथ एक बहुत बुरा हार्ड वायरिंग आता है, वो है दैट कम्स फ्रॉम आवर पेरेंट्स, दैट कम्स फ्रॉम आवर चाइल्डहुड डेज, राइट? वो हम चेंज नहीं कर पा रहे. आज आपने बोला ना कि मैं जिम जाता था, फिर नीचे पानी पूरी वाला मिला तो मैंने पानी पूरी खा लिया, राइट? वाई दैट हैपन्स? बिकॉज दिस इज़ नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग. Your frontal lobe has this thing in your brain called amygdala. So that is developed the first thing in a mother's womb. So it is the oldest part of your body. So it holds on to old belief system and it loves the emotion fear. So खाली एक पीस ही चॉकलेट का है, कुछ नहीं होने वाला, right? But that one piece of chocolate just kills that 10, 15, 20 push-ups that you did in the gym. और हमें पता है कि वो 50, 20, 30 पुशअप लगाने में कितनी मजदूरी लगती है, राइट? बट वी जस्ट फॉरगेट बिकॉज दिस इज़ नॉट कंट्रोल्ड. So in those 30 minutes, we train our subconscious mind. We sit with ourselves, we enjoy, we take some sunlight. Again, coming to the sunlight is, रात को नींद क्यों नहीं आती है? क्योंकि हम enough sunlight नहीं लेते हैं. So it's a very, these all, when I'm talking about these practices, all these practices are non-negotiable in my coaching program.
Got it.
That's where the entire transformation comes. And that is when the kilos that you lose will never come back.
Can you tell me something about circadian rhythm to our viewers? So basically what it is?
So see, circadian rhythm, I will tell you, is it starts with the sun. Okay. So males are governed by circadian rhythm and females are governed by infradian rhythm.
Okay.
So males can work like clockwork. You guys are highly productive in the first few hours of the day. So circadian rhythm goes and it controls your hormones level as well. So for males, it starts from 6 a.m. in the morning and it is at its peak till 2 p.m. in the noon.
So the testosterone and everything
is
at
its peak.
Okay.
So and it's at its lowest at 10 p.m. at the night, because you need to sleep, you need to wind down, you do not need to do anything major, because your testosterone levels and your sperm counts will start building again in that resting period. So that's how the circadian rhythm works. But females' infradian rhythm works only with their menstrual cycle, their hormonal monthly cycle. So if males sync their routine with circadian rhythm and females sync their routine with their cycles, all of us will be unstoppable, because we are listening to our body and we are actually functioning in a way that nature has designed us to function.
Because what happens is, a normal man who is doing their job or something, they wake up around 6, 7 and they need to rush. They need to make this, that, and then after go to the office because the traffic is so much. So how do they manage this kind of thing? Should they wake like around 1 hour before?
Yes, मैं हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ कि आपको अगर 5 बजे आपका रूटीन स्टार्ट करना है तो आप 5:15 उठो. अगर आपको 6 बजे रूटीन स्टार्ट करना है तो आप 5:30 बजे उठो. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि हर एक के लिए आइडियल टाइम 4 से 5 है या 5 से 6 है, बिकॉज इट्स इम्प्रैक्टिकल. अगेन, कुछ चीज़ें आइडियल होती है, बट आइडियल चीज़ें प्रैक्टिकली फॉलो करनी इतनी ईजी नहीं है. आज मैं आपको बोल दूँ मेरा रूटीन 6 बजे का है, तो मैं ये बोलूँगी कि आप 6 बजे उठो, तो इट्स नॉट योर कप ऑफ टी, बिकॉज आई नो मैं बोलूँगी तो आप कर ही नहीं पाओगे.
I'm a
But
night person, so basically,
yeah, exactly. But you need to change your cycle,
got it.
right? You need to change your cycle because you need to sleep with the sun. There's a reason why everything is designed. The moment you start functioning opposite to the nature, your body will stop supporting you. That is the reason. अभी अगर आप देखोगे तो conceiving, planning a family, maximum times if you take a survey also, it's the sperm count that is deteriorating day by day, right? Why is that happening? Because guys are having most late nighters. 3 बजे सो रहे, 4 बजे सो रहे, alcohol, smoking, everything is at its peak. So these are the reasons why this is happening.
Okay.
Yeah.
So mostly, if suppose someone is a night person, right? So what do you recommend them? Because my friends and my circle is mostly the people sleep around 2 or something. Like most creative peoples get their brain boosted at the night, right? So they sit along and everything. So what do you have to tell them?
I will tell them that don't change your lifestyle completely, but try to move near to this clock by 30 minutes. Brain doesn't like drastic changes, so वो हमेशा push back करेगा.
Suppose if you are sleeping at 2, then start at 1:30.
1:30
Okay.
पता भी नहीं चलेगा, because वो आधे घंटे का ही gap है, right? Because brain doesn't like changes, so it will always resist changes. So that is the reason आप ये बोलते हो कि creativity इसी time पे. Your brain is most creative in the morning. पर कभी किसी ने ये feel ही नहीं किया कि सुबह सुबह उठ के feel क्या हो रहा है.
Because what happened when I was in Australia, I had a dog, right? So morning में उनको walk कराने ले जाना, वो सारी चीज़ें. I used to wake up early, but after when I came here, shifted. Now I sleep around 12, 1 and wake up around 7, 8. So वो थोड़ा अभी change हो गया mostly. But sleep has a really drastic impact in your fitness, mental health, and
It
everything.
is. Recovery is very important.
Are we sleeping right?
We are not ideally, because we are not giving enough importance to how we have to sleep, what kind of rest we need, the REM sleep. That is usually after 1 or 2 hours of you getting into the sleep, and you are at the most calmest at that point of time, right? So what happens is none of us is sleeping right. Reason being screens,
Okay.
lights, right? These lights needs to dim down after 6 in the evening.
After 6?
Yes, because it doesn't let your brain get into a calmer state. Guys, I was talking to my sister, she was like, I enjoy working out in the evening because I cannot get up in the morning, right? So what happens when you work out in the evening? Your adrenaline is at its peak, and that doesn't let you wind down early and proper at night. Why you get up with a fatigue? Why you get up like कि सोया ही नहीं हूँ यार आज, मुझे लग ही नहीं रहा है कि मैं सो के उठा हूँ. Why? And stress. It's like all the time all of us have something or the other going on. हमने कभी इसको तो काम करने की कोशिश की ही नहीं. I don't think so anybody is putting in work. So I always tell people that you need to work on yourself. आज आप ये कर रहे हो, आज मैं कुछ और कर रही हूँ, but ये सब हम it's for maybe for the things that we love. For me, this is food for brain, okay? Because this is something I'm doing out of my love. For people who are doing things for bread and butter, they're doing something for it. But what are you doing for yourself? Are you giving enough time to yourself? That is also a part why we don't sleep well, because you're not satisfied when you go down to bed that yes, my day was good, my day was at ease.
But you recommended that we should, turn off the devices or limit them after
2
6,
hours.
6:30, yeah?
2 hours. Devices can be 2 hours before
Sleep
30.
time?
Yeah,
Okay.
phone especially 30 minutes, because आज हम फ़ोन यूज़ कर रहे हैं, आज मेरा ये फ़ोन में यूज़ कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे हर सेकंड ये लगेगा किसी का मैसेज आया, भले मैं साइलेंट कर रही हूँ, DND पे है, मेरा इंस्टाग्राम चलता है. ऑल ऑफ अस माइंडलेसली स्क्रोल इंस्टाग्राम, राइट? आई लव इंस्टाग्राम, नो डाउट अबाउट इट, बट माइंडलेस स्क्रोलिंग इज़ नॉट हेल्पिंग एनी वन ऑफ अस. ये जो लाइट है वो ब्रेन के कुछ ऐसे सेल्स को लाइट करती है कि वो सोने नहीं देती. दैट इज़ द रीज़न यू नीड टू टर्न डाउन द लाइट्स एटलीस्ट. चलो 6 बजे से मत करो, इट्स इम्प्रैक्टिकल, बट एटलीस्ट डू इट बिफोर 1 hour ऑफ यू स्लीपिंग, so that your brain is completely empty and it's ready to just wind down.
Because Apple has that feature, right? So if you get your sleep and everything data accurate, and then after
Yes,
it sends you 15 minutes, 20 minutes in that now you need to turn off your devices
yes,
and wind
yes,
down
yes,
properly.
yes.
And I've seen a lot of YouTubers like I forgot the name, Andrew Huberman and all. They mostly use red glasses when they are working at night or something. What is that and why is that?
See, red glasses, red light has an impact on your system that cools down because the blue light that usually we use for devices, and red light also helps you it doesn't make you age. Okay, so this happened with me also. I used to do before I got into everything, and I got wide knowledge about red lights, blue lights. My skin actually damaged. I got pigmentation on one side of my skin just by using screen at night
Really?
in a darkened room.
Okay.
So when you use red light, it doesn't harm your skin. It sends those signals to your brain that yes, you're okay to wind down.
Okay. So everyone should have one, right?
Yeah,
Basically
you
the
can
glass.
turn, yes, everybody should. And if not, best thing is don't before just 2 hours. Let's not complicate everything. Everybody, I feel, at least majorly, till 1 hour, dim your lights. Start that yellow, reddish lights that we have. Install those in your house. Just switch off all your blue and white lights.
Warm lights are better,
Warm
right?
lights are better because
Got
it has an undertone of red, right? So that is the reason warm lights at night feel calmer also. If
Very
you
true.
sit, if you're watching a movie, if you turn out a warm light, you feel a little more calmer. You get into a zone, cozy zone. That prepares you for a good resting sleep.
Mostly I have a habit that read books at the night. So is it a good thing or
Yeah, it is. It is.
because your brain gets activated and sometimes when you're thinking about it and the sleep gets
Yeah, so
postponed.
it is, as I said, all activities should stop 1 hour before. Only if you want to actually do something, just meditate 15 minutes before you sleep. That's all.
Okay. And what's the perfect morning routine that, because a lot of when you open Instagram, everyone, this is my morning routine, this is my morning routine. So what's the actual morning routine that anyone can follow?
I'll tell you something that I follow and I love that, and I feel that's the practical way to go about it. You wake up. I feel everybody should have good amount of water once you wake up,
Okay.
because entire system is
Dehydrated.
dehydrated. So we need at least 3 glasses of water in the morning. First thing, go sit in your balcony. Don't have caffeine on empty stomach if you are somebody who enjoys nuts. So fat first is something is very
Okay.
important for your body. So it can be in the form of nuts, or you can have a glass of warm water, add half spoon of ghee to it.
Okay.
Right, so it's a very age old Ayurvedic nuskha. Ye nuskha will enhance your skin, will cover your gut lining, will calm your entire digestion system, and it's fat, so nothing like it, right? Acidic जिसका भी gut है उसको बहुत राहत देगा ये नुस्खा. So start your day with that. Go, if you have a balcony, if you have a good window, go there, sit with nature.
Or terrace in
Yeah,
fact,
terrace. Because green color is very good for your eyes in the morning, right? So green, take 20 minutes of sunlight. Sit there, you can meditate. I would always suggest, मुझे याद है मैं बहुत छोटी थी तब मेरे प्रोफेसर ने मुझे बोला था कि देवांशी मेडिटेट करो. मैंने नहीं किया इतने साल तक. Now I have started it. It is preparing your body for the long haul day. So if you have some goal setting that you have to do, for example, आपके लिए आज था कि I'm going to do this, या मेरे लिए था I'm going to come here, right? So it was on my goal list in the morning.
Okay. You think about it that
Yes,
what's
yes.
the day gonna be
sit
like?
with yourself. Yes, how your day will bear. You mentioned Andrew Huberman, right?
Yeah.
Andrew Huberman ne abhi hi, if you go to Instagram, you'll find his podcast. He has mentioned a perfect day meditation.
Perfect day meditation.
Yes.
Okay.
In that, you just need to sit and just imagine how a perfect day would look like. It shouldn't be something like you buying something luxurious, you going for a trip. No, a basic. And he claims that a lot of his followers have actually really witnessed the things that they had imagined in their perfect day meditation in the morning.
Okay.
सो इट्स लाइक सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को हम ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, फिर वो ये अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ पकड़ता है वेर यू फाइंड दोज अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ एंड यू गेट बैंग ऑन द थिंग्स दैट you actually want.
Andrew Huberman is like next level because Stanford professor, right? Basically,
And a scientist.
and a scientist as well.
And somebody who is big preacher of metaphysics and law of attraction, right? So I love metaphysics, I love law of attraction. So yeah,
So what do you learn about him? Basically, what you have learned from him?
I have learned from him is meditation को बहुत ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट कर रहा है. हम वो परफेक्ट 15 मिनट्स को ढूंढने के चक्कर में हम 5 मिनट भी नहीं करते हैं, राइट? प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच है, 2 मिनट मिल रहा है 2 मिनट कर लो, 5 मिनट मिल रहा है 5 मिनट कर लो, एटलीस्ट करो तो सही, राइट? And universe has infinite possibilities. It's all in here that limitations is there, and your limitations are blocking
The
your
future you that you
future
want to become. Got it. But to come back to the topic that we were saying, that how weight loss makes you more confident. You said that 30 plus women gets more confident after they have the physique that they wanted
Yeah.
or something like that. You
Yeah.
know. So how does that happen?
So when you are on a weight loss journey, you start eating things in balanced way, right? Your macros are corrected, your micronutrients are corrected, right? So what happens in that is you start feeling the change internally. So, and any women, all of us would agree कि किसी भी फीमेल को मोटा दिखना अच्छा नहीं लगता, ठीक है?
Very true.
कि अगर कोई बोल रही है ना मैं जैसी हूँ वैसी अच्छी हूँ, तो उसका मतलब ये है कि ये हर चीज़ ट्राई करके थकी हुई है.
Got it.
कपड़े अच्छे पहनना हर एक को पसंद है. क्यों अचानक जो इंसान पूरे कवर्ड कपड़े पहन रहा है एकदम से वेट लॉस करने के बाद दे आर
going short.
वेयरिंग हॉट शॉर्ट्स और दे कैन कैरी ब्रालेट्स वेयर बिकिनीज वेयर? व्हाई?
At some point they want to, but
They want to, and that confidence need to come from here and not from somewhere else,
makes sense.
right?
Yeah. But there were some old sayings that अपने घर पे भी बात होती है कि घर का काम कर लो यार, ऑलरेडी तुम्हारा वेट लॉस हो जाएगा. बट इट्स नॉट द ट्रू, राइट? एवरी वन वॉन्ट्स टू गो टू जिम, बट विमेंस में देखता हूँ मोस्टली मेरे जिम में दोपहर को 2 बजे के बाद थोड़ा उनका टाइम रहता है, 2 से 4 के, मतलब आफ्टरनून्स में बेसिकली मैंने ज़्यादा देखा है विमेंस को आते हुए. तो डू यू रिकमेंड जिम और सिर्फ घर की चीज़ और योगा, और व्हाट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दे नीड टू डू?
No, women above 30 needs to lift weights.
यस.
फीमेल्स मैंने देखा है 30 to 45, अरे हम जुम्बा जा रहे हैं, हम एरोबिक्स जा रहे हैं, हम योगा कर रहे हैं. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दे आर बैड, बट women need to understand that they need to lift weights because 30s, your late 20s, your 30s are the base for your healthy perimenopause and menopause. So when you lift weight and when you correct your protein, what happens is you start building lean muscle mass, and that lean muscle mass will support your body in your menopause, because in menopause your estrogen and progesterone drops, and because you start losing your menses, right? That is the where how you don't start having your menses, right? At that point of time it affects the calcium as well. So what
Okay.
happens, your bones go weak. So उस टाइम पे जब आप वेट लिफ्ट करते हो तो वेट लिफ्ट करने में जो लीन मसल मास बनता है उसमें एक प्रोटीन बनता है मायोकाइन करके, दैट कम्स टू योर रेस्क्यू एट दैट टाइम.
ओके.
एंड लीन मसल मास 2 वीक 10 दिन 15 दिन में नहीं बनता है, इट इज़
ओवर टाइम.
over time. Yesterday I just shared a podcast over my page where it was said that if you are planning a pregnancy, your pregnancy work starts years before you plan to conceive, right? So दिस नैरेटिव अबाउट फीमेल नॉट गोइंग टू जिम और घर के काम करके कोई स्टेप्स नहीं होते हैं. अगर ऊपर वाले को हमको ना मूवमेंट करने के लिए बनाया होता तो हमको मशरूम की तरह बनाते, नीचे से छोटा ऊपर से बड़ा. हमको इतने अच्छे 2 पैर दिए हैं तो मूव करो, राइट?
Makes sense. But they have some myths, right? कि भाई मेरे को वेट लिफ्टिंग नहीं करना बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट लुक बल्की, या फिर कार्डियो अच्छा है वेट लिफ्टिंग से, बिकॉज अर्ली ऑन चालू करते तो ये सबके पास नॉलेज नहीं होता.
Yeah, I
तो
agree.
व्हाट डू यू वांट से समथिंग अबाउट द myths?
See, these are the biggest myths because building a lean muscle mass doesn't mean that you are going to go bulky. You are going to go stronger. Imagine 2.5 से 3 किलो का बच्चा आप अपने पेट में जब आपको उठाना है तो आपकी बैक को कितना स्ट्रांग होना पड़ेगा.
वेरी ट्रू.
Why female lose mobility in pregnancy? The reason is they are not strong enough to carry that weight. So this is the biggest myth in the industry that's going on कि जिम छोड़ देंगे तो मोटे हो जाएंगे. वो मोटे नहीं होते, वो मसल लूज हो जाते हैं, इसलिए यू सी दैट लूज फैट.
क्योंकि मैंने एक चीज़ नोटिस किया, आप जब प्रेगनेंसी के बारे में बात कर रहे हो ना, तो यहाँ पे इंडिया पे, और मैं जब ऑस्ट्रेलिया था ना वहाँ पे, जब लोग 9 months के भी होते हैं ना प्रेग्नेंट, दे आर स्टिल वर्किंग. वो आपको दिखेंगे काम करते हुए ये. और यहाँ पे बेसिकली क्या होता है कि घर पे मम्मी बुला देती है कि आ जाओ घर पे यार, अभी थोड़ा रेस्ट करो, तो फिर आराम से जा रहे रेस्ट करे, कुछ भी काम नहीं करने दे रहे. सो दिस इज़ कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग यार. आपका
is.
क्या कहना है इसके बारे में?
It is. It is. I feel mobility is a very basic need of the body. जितना मोबाइल रखोगे अपने बॉडी को उतना ही बच्चा भी हेल्दी आएगा, आप भी हेल्दी फील करोगे. आप प्रेग्नेंट हो, आप बीमार नहीं हो, पहली चीज़. तो ये नैरेटिव भी चेंज करने की ज़रूरत है कि यू आर नॉट डूइंग एनी हार्म टू एनी वन. योर चाइल्ड इज़ गोइंग टू बी हेल्दी. You have to be healthy and lifting weights and moving around. Work till 9 months. Of course, if you have some medical complication, then it's a different story altogether. But if you are a healthy mother, there's nothing wrong of going to work, doing your normal things, doing your normal chores. Because as I said, you are pregnant, you are not bimar.
Very true. People say that, cardiovascular activity makes them lose weight very easily. I used to do that way before, and then after I got to knowledge, strength training helps you to burn calories even if you're not working out.
Yes.
So can you clarify that to our viewers that,
Yes.
yeah,
Cardio definitely makes you lose weight, but at the same point of time, heavy cardio is not advisable for people who have hormonal imbalances.
like what kind?
PCOS है, PCOD है, फिर endometriosis है, ठीक है. Why? कार्डियो जब हम करते हैं ना तो देखोगे कि अपने बॉडी को बहुत स्ट्रेस पड़ता है. यू स्टार्ट हैवीली ब्रीथिंग, राइट? जब स्ट्रेस बढ़ता है तो बॉडी कॉर्टिसोल बढ़ा देता है. अब कॉर्टिसोल जब बढ़ता है तो कॉर्टिसोल इज़ अ प्रीकर्सर टू ऑल फीमेल हॉर्मोन्स. So in turn, it will complicate your situation. So I also tell my clients not to do heavy cardio 10 to 12 days before their periods also.
Okay.
Right? Because at that point of time, your body is not prepared to take so much of stress. Whereas strength training, it doesn't create that much of stress to your body. Secondly, it helps you build that lean muscle mass and makes you lose weight even while you are in a resting phase. So it has all three effects all together. So cardio is not bad, but just cardio is never advisable.
Okay. What do you think about walking? I feel like that, if you're walking, the air pollution is too much and you're still walking. Doesn't make any sense to me.
Walking is very important. वैसे तो हम कुछ भी करेंगे, it is impacting our system, right? But walking has proven benefits of longevity, right? The more you move, the longer you live, right? तो हम ऐसा नहीं है कि हम हर रोज़ पोल्यूशन में ही चलने जा रहे हैं. You can choose better places. You can choose places like gardens. You can choose places where there is more of greenery. So the effect of that pollution gets negated. You can also walk on a treadmill or a walking pad while watching your Netflix,
Makes sense.
but move.
Okay. So I asked my, gym coach and, the owner and stuff to put air purifier in the
Yeah.
gym basically.
Yeah.
they did for like 2-3 days, and then after I don't know where it's gone now. I was like, it's very
No,
important,
it's very
guys.
important. Air
Yeah.
purifier in this day and age is very important because जो pollens है बहुत बुरे हैं अभी, because still we are in Ahmedabad, so it's better. Unlike Delhi or Mumbai, Delhi is
Getting
worst.
worse. Yeah.
So you cannot expect in those places you cannot even go and walk on the roads, right? I mean, that's and anyhow, I am a person who doesn't promote like 1 hour long walks. एक गो में आपने 10,000 स्टेप्स कर लिए, नो. माई फंडा इज अबाउट मूविंग राउंड द डे. सो मतलब सुबह लंच तक 2,500 स्टेप करे, लंच से लेके डिनर तक दूसरे 3-3,500 किए, फिर रात को डिनर के बाद या टिल द टाइम यू स्लीप अनदर 3,000 इज इनफ. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज like आज तो मैं यहाँ पे बैठी हूँ ऐसे, otherwise I cannot sit like this for more than 30 minutes. I need to get up and move and take some stroll. That's how I have wired myself, and that's how I think every one of us should. My mom at 62 does 10,000 steps.
Very good, 10,000 steps. So that approach is right, that if you split the steps basically throughout the day. But what do you reckon is the, most, means the, what can we say, the most good approach or something like that for the engineers or stuff who are, जिनकी job ऐसा है कि भाई बैठ के ही काम करना है, something like that.
Okay. So on that note, I am also a person who sits
Okay,
on the desk
Okay.
9 to 5, right?
9 to 5, right? Yes.
9 to rather 9 to 7.
Yeah.
So I always tell people around me also, you need to find your fix. ठीक है, ऐसा तो है नहीं कि पूरे 12 घंटा या 10 घंटा का जॉब है, उसमें 10 घंटे बैठे बैठे मीटिंग्स था. नहीं था, राइट? सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि द मोमेंट योर मीटिंग इज ओवर, get up and move. Make sure your water bottle is a little away so that you have to get up and move. Make sure you go and see that colleague on that other place instead of calling that colleague. So वो भी एक movement होगी. आजकल तो IT के offices are so huge that you can have a nice walk in the office itself, right?
Very true.
So you have to find your mix, but you have to make sure that you have that target every single day.
Mostly people also install the standing desk as well. It's
We
very
have it in
trendy
our
right now.
office.
Is it?
We have it in our office. We have 2 standing desks.
Makes sense. So when you talked about that, you're not a big fan of 1 hour workout or 1 hour walk or something like that.
1 hour walk, 1 hour workout is a must.
Okay, 1 hour work. Because people, I have seen that they are into like 30 minutes or 45 minutes workout, and then after they are done, like HIIT workout, like. And then what do you reckon about that? Is it good?
I feel something is better than nothing. So people having busy schedule, just go for that 20 minutes also
Okay.
in the gym. Do few things and get out of the gym. That's okay. But ideally, yes, 1 hour, 3 times a week is very important. HIIT is again a form of cardio. So I would recommend that it should be combined with any kind of strength training
Okay.
or a functional training, because again that's what we want to do. But yeah, this is how it has to be.
So suppose when you onboard your what we say client or something, so what is the first advice that you give to them? Is it like related to diet or training or mindset or what kind of thing?
Mindset.
Okay. So what is the first thing that you say?
Mindset is extremely important because that's where your food will come from. That's where your focus for training will come from. Your focus of hitting those steps will come from, right? So mindset is very important because all of us don't know that hidden power of our brain that will make you keep on doing these things again and again. See, consistency is very boring. वही चीज़ हर रोज़ करो, वही उठना, वही चलना, वही वर्कआउट करना, वही अच्छा खाना खाना, आई थिंक किसी को नहीं पसंद है. बट ऑल ऑफ अस नीड टू नॉर्मलाइज दिस थिंग दैट कंसिस्टेंसी इज़ बोरिंग बट इट्स द न्यू नॉर्मल.
Okay.
So that is the first advice and most important advice. Start giving yourself 30 minutes without feeling guilty about it.
So basically what happens is I used to follow the boring diets. I used to have the same thing in the breakfast, same thing in the lunch, but it helped me lose weight. But right now what happens is people are more addicted to the chatpata khana. So they are like, I want something new every day.
Yeah.
So how do you tackle that?
See, the biggest thing in my program is about not giving them yahi khana hai. ओके, सो व्हाट आई डू इज़, ये चैलेंज मुझे आया था डाइट में कि आज रोटी सब्ज़ी लिखा है, आज बेसन चिल्ला लिखा है, आज ये लिखा है, यही खाना है। अगर वो नहीं मिला तो मुझे खाना कैसे है नहीं आएगा। वही होता है ना, डाइट ख़त्म होने के बाद आपको नहीं पता रहता है कि मुझे खाना क्या है।
Because you're not educated about that stuff. That's why.
Exactly right.
Yeah.
I love food myself, right? So I don't want you also to have a boring खाना. So what you have to understand is, आपका जो अभी लाइफस्टाइल रहेगा ना, वही लाइफस्टाइल उसके बाद रहना चाहिए। और खाना आपका दुश्मन नहीं है। सो मैं तो यही करती हूँ कि रॉ इंग्रेडिएंट्स ही देती हूँ ग्रोसरी लिस्ट का।
Okay. Make out something out of
आउट
yourself.
ऑफ इट,
Is
गो
it?
क्रेजी। भेल बना के खाना है, खाओ।
Okay.
पिज्ज़ा बना के खाना है, खाओ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। मेक श्योर इंग्रेडिएंट में से इतनी इतनी चीज़ें होनी चाहिए। और इसकी और में भी क्या खाना है वो भी मैं डे 1 को ही दे देती हूँ, क्योंकि ये मेरा खुद का चैलेंज था। ये जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो शौक से कर रही हूँ, तो मेरे को ये नहीं है कि आप मेरे पास आओगे, फिर आप जाओ तो आपका वेट तो बढ़ जाएगा, तो आप वापस 6 महीने के बाद मेरे पास आओगे। मुझे तो ये करना नहीं है। मुझे वन शॉट चीट शीट दे देनी है आपको कि ज़िंदगी भर कैसे खाया जाता है। सो इसके बाद जब लोग ट्रैवल भी करते हैं, मेरे क्लाइंट्स हैं जो लोग एवरी ऑल्टरनेट मंथ यूएस जाते हैं, बट दे डोंट गेन वेट। दिवाली में किसी ने वेट नहीं गेन किया है, क्योंकि खाने का सलीका आना चाहिए, बैलेंस आना चाहिए। चटपटा खाओ, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आई डोंट माइंड।
My philosophy is eat something before 7 and then after you're good to go. Because I
Yeah.
sleep around 10, 11, 12, right? So
Yeah.
I usually try to have my dinner before 7. So in
Yeah.
that way, digest भी हो जाता है सारी
Yeah,
चीज़ें.
yeah.
And
3
I will-
hours before your bedtime is a good time.
And mostly there are different kind of diets in the market right now. Some people are saying keto is good. Some people are saying IF is good. So what's your thought on that?
There's a lot of fad. वही करो जो ज़िंदगी भर कर सको,
Okay.
पहली चीज़, बिकॉज वही रिजल्ट देगी। एंड वट ईट वॉट यू हैव ग्रोन अप ईटिंग, बिकॉज ओनली दैट विल बी रिस्पॉन्डेड बाय योर बॉडी वेल। तो कीटो तो निकल गया, ज़िंदगी भर तो होने नहीं वाला।
हाँ.
नो कार्ब भी निकल गया, ज़िंदगी भर नहीं होने वाला। डिटॉक्स तो सबसे ख़राब है, क्योंकि उसमें जो जूसेस आते हैं वो लिवर के लिए दुश्मन है, तो वो भी निकल गया। तो बचा क्या, जो नॉर्मल खाते हो वो खाओ। IF इज़ गुड, इट इज़ गुड फॉर पीपल हु on whom it is worked.
Okay.
I per se cannot handle IF. So IF has to be done under a supervision. Somebody checking on you every single day.
Why is that?
Have it. Okay. So fasting window depends. हम जब खुद weight loss कर रहे होते हैं ना, तो we have that crazy भूत सवार कि मुझे weight कम कर ही देना है, तो we start with 18-hour fasting, 20-hour fasting window, right? That means only 4 hours is your eating window, right? Which is very heavy on your system. All due respect, yes, fasting for 3 days altogether starts killing the cancer cells, is correct. But for people who can take fasts, body like mine cannot take fast because I have IBS. Okay, I have a very, I would say, sensitive stomach.
Okay.
So fasting aggravates my symptoms. Females cannot fast 10 days before their periods. In their luteal phase, they shouldn't fast,
Okay.
because otherwise their PMS symptoms will increase. खुद पागल होगी, घर वालों को भी पागल करेगी. So you don't want that, right? Why you want to do that? And your periods will also be very painful.
Okay.
Males per se, circadian rhythm, you guys can function clockwork. It's best for males, and you give good results. But females, it has to be done under supervision.
Okay. So my family had a problem with me because I don't eat in the morning, right? So I don't have breakfast. I start with lunch. So is it a good thing to not have a breakfast in the morning?
How do you feel after, if you don't have breakfast?
I feel light. I don't want, because in the morning my brain works like that. I don't want to eat anything. If I have something on my stomach, then I am not thinking right or something happens. I like to stay light in
And
the
when
morning.
you eat something, what do you eat?
Mostly I don't, but if I eat is like milkshake or something like walnuts and almonds and everything blended into the milk directly, and then after drink it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That after that also you feel this?
Yes, a little bit. I don't.
Groggy and...
Yeah.
Yeah, so see, there's no theory that you need to have breakfast. Yes, first meal, जो भी आपका होगा, has to be good nutrition balanced with protein. ठीक है? हाँ, as I said that you can function without a breakfast well, but females will not function very well without a breakfast. But it's okay. But it is advisable that you take. Again, it depends on body to body that how it feels. हम क्या इंटरनेट पे एक चीज़ पढ़ लेते हैं, फिर हम उसको जनरलाइज कर देते हैं कि ये तो होना ही चाहिए. Not necessary, right?
अपना जो पहले का जो नॉलेज था वैदिक, वो ऐसा था कि भाई फील योर सेल्फ, कि आपको क्या सही लग रहा है, बिकॉज सारे की बॉडी अलग अलग है. किसी का कुछ वो क्या कहते हैं फायर वाला ज़्यादा होता है, किसी का वाटर एलिमेंट ज़्यादा है, वॉट एवर XYZ. इट वर्क्स कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट. बट वॉट आई फाउंड वॉज व्हेन आई ट्रेन, empty stomach also I'm completely fine, but if I have a banana or something before that, still everything is okay. So what do you recommend to the people? So should they train empty stomach or quite fed before training?
Depends on what is your goal.
Okay.
If your goal is fat loss, empty stomach.
Okay.
And if you somebody who has low allergy, just then you feel that you have low energy, you can have a fruit and then hit the gym. Any fruit or nuts, right? And followed by good protein post your
Whey protein or something.
anything. Protein powder ले लो, milk ले लो, eggs ले लिया, कुछ भी good in protein, because it will help you recover better. क्योंकि जब हम workout करते हैं तो muscles टूटते हैं तो.
So pre-workout basically अभी सारे supplements भी आ गए हैं. But do you think that banana or caffeine it's good?
Very good.
Okay. And you recommend your clients as well the same
Yes,
thing.
but no caffeine on empty stomach,
Why is that?
because it will burn your system more. It will. I think we were discussing right now. Coffee
Yeah.
पीने के बाद you feel
Yes.
dehydration,
Dehydrated
right?
a bit.
So your body will dehydrate. Imagine पूरी रात के सोए हो, कुछ पिया नहीं है, कुछ खाया नहीं है, फास्टिंग विंडो भी इतना बड़ा है, उसमें खाली पेट में आपने कैफीन डाला, so it will inflame your body a lot. So if at all you want to consume a black coffee as a pre-workout thing, have a handful of nuts
Okay.
and have 30 minutes gap, then have a caffeine. Because when you combine caffeine and nuts, caffeine is a blocker to all mineral absorption in your system. So अगर कोई बोलता है कि मैं चाय के साथ ड्राई फ्रूट खा लेता हूँ, तो वो ड्राई फ्रूट नहीं सिर्फ फैट खा रहा है, ड्राई फ्रूट का कोई फ़ायदा मिल नहीं रहा है. So you always keep this thing in mind and then hit your gym.
So for the body and the brain, how big healthy fats play role? Basically omega 3, 6, 9, whatever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Healthy fats are extremely important because most of our hormones are made from fat. अगर फैट नहीं है तो विटामिन डी नहीं अब्जॉर्ब होगा. अगर फैट अच्छे नहीं है तो हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस होगा. इट इज़ अ विशियस साइकिल. अगर विटामिन डी कम है तो अगेन हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस होगा.
वो सब इंडियंस में कम ही होता है ना विटामिन डी, तो आई डोंट नो व्हाई.
It is because we don't consume anything. Vegetarian food doesn't have any external supplements. So you need to take external medical supplement to keep up with the level of your vitamin D.
But we have sun exposure, right? It's not like that we're living in states or something.
But now the UV that हम लोग उस लेवल का सन नहीं लेते. हाँ, you have to wake up at like 6 in the morning to take proper sun. How many of us does that?
Very little. Okay. So after 8 or 9, the sun that we are taking is completely
It's
bullshit,
not.
is it?
It is going to burn. It's not going to be the effect. And anyhow, that is not enough to run your body.
So basically, a lot of foreigners also sunbath, right?
Yeah.
We don't have that culture in India.
we don't. हमारे में कुछ बचेगा नहीं. उनके पास तो भी है. They'll flaunt their suntan. We cannot. हमें मार पड़ेगी घर जाएंगे तो.
Very true. But does that have any effect on our body, sunbathing? Is it good?
It does. It is, as I said, vitamin D absorption is good. But for us Indians, it's not advisable. Plus, the kind of sun now we have, because we are near to equator, right? Our region is near. So the kind of UV that we will be absorbing is not good. So if you at all you want to get into the sun, have a good sunscreen. Like I apply sunscreen for like 3 to 4 times a day. That's the ideal
Okay.
number of times that you should apply sunscreen.
Even if you are in room or
Yes,
something.
here also. I'm in lights, I have to apply it. I'm in front of screen, I have to apply it.
Men are not like that, you know that, right?
I know, but you should. I don't know, this is not talked about. Men need to do this. They are like, अरे मने कहीं નથી થતું, અરે પણ શું?
But what happened is, I saw some video or something like that where it said, if you are sunbathing, it's good for an organs as well. I was like, how does that play? Sun
See,
and organ.
again, there are a lot of connection issues, as I said, ke your sun uh, bathing improves your vitamin D. Your vitamin D improves your hormones. Your hormones supports your organs, right?
So the diet that we are having right now, basically all Indians, are carb-oriented diet. So how do we change that? Because we are having a lot of carbs in the entire day, and whereas if you go some places like Australia or US or something, they are more protein-oriented. So how do we change that?
I think consciously we need to make sure that we add good amounts, and for that I feel nobody knows the good amount. ठीक है, आज सबको पता है कि 0.8 ग्राम पर किलो इज़ द बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट टू 1.2 पर किलो इज़ द बेसिक प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट. बट क्या किसी को पता है कि इसका मतलब कितनी क्वांटिटी में क्या चीज़ जानी चाहिए? सो आई ऑलवेज फील जैसे लोगों का फैमिली डॉक्टर होता है ना, वैसे लोगों का फैमिली डाइटिशियन भी होना चाहिए, so that they know what they need to eat. I have seen the changes firsthand. You start reverse aging once
After having protein?
Yes.
Okay.
I have seen it with myself. I'm seeing with my mom. At 60, initially her skin was sagging like crazily. After me getting into this, making the plan for the entire family, they eating protein in the right way has changed their ball game of aging. Her skin has started tightening. Her pigmentation has started going. So all of us need to make sure that all three major meals of our food of our plate has to be well balanced with protein.
Like 30-40% of it should come from protein.
Yes.
And then 20-30 carbs,
Carbs
and then after fats.
Yes.
Okay. So there are a lot of misconception regarding protein because अभी प्रोटीन मतलब पनीर भी सब जगह से अभी फेक आ रहा है.
घर बनाओ.
हाँ.
मैं घर पे बनाती हूँ.
बिजी स्केड्यूल के
5 मिनट लगता है.
5 मिनट
पनीर को बनने में पीछे बैठे पूछ लो.
अच्छा बनाओ यार.
5 મિનિટ થશે. મારા ઘરે 6 કોથળીનું દૂધ ફાટે છે પનીર માટે.
Okay. Do you think that every woman should have, if they are not getting enough protein, then they should go for protein shake or something?
Yeah, they should.
Even if they are not working out?
That's okay.
Okay.
Protein is basic requirement of our body for every major organ functions. ऑर्गन की लाइनिंग प्रोटीन है, आँख पे जो लाइनिंग है वो प्रोटीन है, स्किन इज़ प्रोटीन, राइट. सो ये जो आप प्रोटीन खा रहे हो ना, ये तो बेसिक बॉडी को चलाने के लिए है. अगर वर्कआउट करते हो तो उसको बर्न करना है. अगर आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हो तो प्रोटीन का क्वांटिटी बढ़ेगा आपका.
हाउ मतलब कितना बढ़ेगा?
रिक्वायरमेंट. सो यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0.8 बट पर्सन हु इज़ वर्किंग आउट कैन टेक 2 grams पर kg तक का प्रोटीन, क्योंकि वो उतना बर्न कर लेगा जब वो वर्कआउट कर रहा है. तो ये जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो तो आपकी डेली बॉडीली फंक्शंस के लिए है. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज़ व्हेन यू डोंट टेक इनफ प्रोटीन, तो जो भी मिनिमल हमको रोटी सब्जी से मिल रहा है, दाल चावल से मिल रहा है, तो ये सारे दूध से मिल रहा है, तो ये सारे प्रोटीन सबसे पहले ऑर्गन्स चलाने में यूज़ हो जाएंगे. तो स्किन के लिए, बालों के लिए बचता नहीं है, और इसीलिए वो डिटोरिएट होते हैं.
रिसीडिंग हेयरलाइन फिर बहुत कॉमन हो गई है.
Yes, for guys receding hairline is the biggest problem these days, right? For females also, skin pigmentation, skin aging, wrinkles, everything.
Okay. So taking enough protein will help you, maintain this.
Yes, but at the same point of time, you should also understand your system, because a lot of Indian bodies cannot take protein or digest protein as well. Hence I say whenever you have to correct your meal plan, इसलिए I mentioned about family dietitian. Why? Because she or he will be able to monitor your system well, see that whether a particular form of protein is suiting your body or not.
Okay.
Because again, this is important, but whether it is good for you needs to be checked. I have a lot of clients जिसको हर एक प्रोटीन सूट हो जाता है, बट एग्स देते हैं तो गट इश्यूज स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं. देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु कैन नॉट टेक अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोटीन. गट इज़ वेरी सेंसिटिव. देयर गट कैन नॉट डाइजेस्ट प्रोटीन. सो दैट ऑल्सो नीड्स टू बी टेकन केयर ऑफ. मतलब इंटरनेट ने बोला इतना खाना है तो मतलब फिर हम उतना ही खाना है, ऐसा नहीं होगा. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड योर सिस्टम वेल.
Because I have heard, on IG and stuff that if you have protein, a lot of protein, then it's not good for your kidney. How true is it?
I don't think so. Because I recently made a program for somebody who is a dialysis patient, okay, and doctor asked me to get her 1.2 grams per kilo protein, and when, because she's a vegetarian, she doesn't take eggs, and we didn't, she was not ready to take other things because phosphorus, phosphate, वो सब देखना है, तो हम उनको डेयरी भी नहीं दे सकते. तो I added a plant, 1 scoop of plant protein to her program, and doctor has happily approved it. So I think अगर डायलिसिस वाला पेशेंट इतना ले सकता है, तो I don't think so हमें तो प्रॉब्लम होना चाहिए.
So tell me something about plant-based protein, like pea protein, और वो सब भी बहुत बढ़ रहा है मार्केट
Yeah,
में.
that is because whey is becoming very heavy on your stomach. A lot of people have stomach pain because of whey.
बचपन से यार अपने तो डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स लेते आ रहे हैं, तो फिर it shouldn't be
Yeah,
like that.
that shouldn't be there, but the lifestyle, ये चीज़ मैंने ये भी देखा है कि if you are in India, you will be able to digest dairy, right? The moment you go to foreign, you will not be able to digest dairy. Lactose intolerance बढ़ जाती है वहाँ जाने से. So there's something off there, because I have a lot of clients whom I consult abroad also. So when they were in India, they were doing fine. So but the moment they move there, they have this gut sensitivity. So maybe it has an impact with your lifestyle, the water that you take, the kind of dairy that comes there, that also can have an impact. So way में ये हो रहा है कि a lot of people feel it's very heavy on their gut, and hence we have switched to more plant-based because it's more natural.
Okay. So plant-based protein में enough, मतलब 25 grams protein मिल जाता है क्या?
Yes, 22 grams.
22 grams. Makes sense. Okay. Or suppose if someone who doesn't want to buy protein shakes or something like that, so how वो कैसे अपने diet को ठीक कर सकते हैं by just having foods, regular foods, and
Yeah,
still
you have.
get around 80 grams or something protein in the
Yeah,
entire
मिल
day?
जाता है. You need to, as I said, you need to understand कि कितनी quantity का dairy खाना है, कितनी quantity का पनीर, सोया, टेम्पे, lot of options.
So soya, I have heard that it boosts estrogen. Is it true?
It does.
Okay.
इसीलिए anything in too much of quantities is not good. And soya chunks तो मैं ऐसे भी मना करती हूँ, इतना ज़्यादा प्रमोट नहीं करती हूँ. रीज़न बीइंग जो चंक्स बनता है उसमें कभी कभार सोडियम बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, तो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू do not need to take that, right? So best way to go about it is dairy, paneer are your go-to, curd, Greek yogurt are your go-to. फिर अपने में है ना, अपने तो गुजरात वाला है, बेसन
चिल्ला बना दिया.
चिल्ला बना दिया, स्प्राउट्स खा लिए,
Okay.
लेंटिल्स ले लिए अच्छी क्वांटिटी में.
Okay.
दाल का पानी नहीं, मतलब अपनी दाल पानी होती है वो नहीं, मतलब अच्छा खासा लेंटिल थिक दाल. You'll have enough amount of, there are a lot of you. I don't take protein powder every single day, but
Okay.
still I manage my daily protein intake.
Because there are a lot of these that yogurt that we have, like 50 grams of yogurt with strawberry
Yeah,
flavor
yeah,
or
yeah,
something
yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
Is it good?
If it is sugar free, yes. If
Okay.
it's not, then you are putting unnecessary sugar to your system, because sugar is really bad. Even artificial sweetener are. So basically go for no sweet, no flavor,
Okay.
and add frozen berries if you need it.
Makes sense. A lot of people in India are diabetic. मतलब why is it that? अपने शुगर पहले से ज़्यादा खा रहे इसीलिए है, या फिर ब्रिटिशर्स देके गए हैं, या what?
हम लोग मीठा ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं
Very true.
सेलिब्रेशन के नाम पे.
Me too.
Even I love sweets, right?
Yeah.
So my mom is a home baker. So all of us love desserts, all of us love sweets, but we don't know how to balance sweet. हम क्या है, सुबह उठे स्वीट खा लिया, ठीक है, तो स्वीट को खाने का सलीका है वो हमें किसी ने सिखाया नहीं है, ठीक है. तो अगर वो सलीका सीख लो तो किसी को इंसुलिन सेंसिटिविटी आएगी ही नहीं.
आज आप सिखा दो.
Always pair it with good protein and fats, fibers, and then have your sweet.
Is it?
Yes.
जैसे काजू कतरी पड़ी है मेरे घर पे, मम्मी बोल रही प्रसादी है आप खा लो, तो उसके साथ मैं क्या करूँ फिर अभी?
तो यू विल, प्रसाद है आप रख सकते हो, खाना खा लो अच्छा सा, आपका जब दाल चावल या कुछ है तो दाल के फॉर्म में और कर्ड के फॉर्म में प्रोटीन आ जाएगा. हैव इट ऑलवेज आफ्टर अ मील. डोंट हैव इट एज स्टैंड अलोन, बिकॉज दैट गिव्स दैट शुगर स्पाइक इन योर सिस्टम. ऑलवेज कवर योर कार्ब्स, दैट्स द आइडिया.
समझ गया. और मोस्टली अपने यहाँ पे लोग एग्स बहुत कम प्रीफर कर रहे हैं, बट व्हाट आई थिंक इज एग्स आर सुपर फूड, क्योंकि उनके आप देखोगे 6 grams ऑफ प्रोटीन, हार्डली एनी फैट्स, मतलब हेल्दी फैट्स है जो भी जो योग में आता है, और नो कार्ब्स. सो व्हाई आर वी नॉट प्रमोटिंग दैट?
बिकॉज एग्स का क्वालिटी भी बहुत ख़राब आ रहा है. मेरे कितने क्लाइंट्स हैं, दे हैव स्टार्टेड हैविंग गट सेंसिटिविटीज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ एग्स. because I have this format in my program of daily checking in. So in that daily checking in, that's the analysis that I have done, that whenever they eat eggs, their gut goes down.
Okay.
So eggs is good, but you also need to know that where are they coming from and how are they. क्योंकि लोग हमेशा ये करते हैं, बाहर से एग खा लेते हैं, घर पे लाके या बना के या अच्छी जगह से सोर्स करके नहीं खाते हैं. So it is creating heavy level of gut sensitivity.
Okay. And when you are saying that protein is good for your skin or something, are you talking about collagen peptides or just regular protein?
Regular protein.
Okay. Can you say something about collagen peptides, because nowadays people are consuming that as well?
Collagen, yes, but me being vegetarian and people maximum around me are vegetarian, cannot consume collagen, right?
Comes from fish and all, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Or vegan collagen useless है.
Really?
Yeah. It is doing no good. कोलेजन बनता ही उसी में से है, फिश में से. तो क्या ही कर लोगे कि वेजिटेरियन खा के क्या मतलब है. आज मैं ओमेगा लेती हूँ तो उसमें भी वीगन आता है, बट वीगन लेके क्या करोगे. जो चीज़ जहाँ से सोर्स हो रही है वही लोगे तो ही वो फ़ायदा देगी.
मतलब ये बुलशिट है completely.
वीगन यस,
Okay.
जस्ट सेलिंग पॉइंट मे बी अगर कोई 100% देता होगा तो ये 1-2-5% देता होगा. बट देन आई हैव हैड दिस फर्स्ट हैंड कॉन्वर्सेशन विद द डर्मैट एज वेल.
So I used to consume fish oils,
Yeah,
and
I also take it and omega.
it's good for your brain. मेरा कभी ऐसा होता था, मैं लेता था फिर भूल जाता था, फिर लेता था फिर भूल जाता था.
No, you have to take it regularly.
Okay. So what are the supplements that you recommend you should take after turning 30?
They are multivitamins, vitamin C.
Any brand?
Any brand is okay. Any good brand is okay.
Okay.
Right. So vitamin C, multivitamins, omega, ठीक है, magnesium.
Magnesium for what?
Magnesium for better recovery, muscle health, and sleep,
Okay.
and your gut.
Okay. Because when I was searching about magnesium, I didn't find any good brands who are, getting the proper magnesium that we need for
No,
our
I
body.
think there are a couple of brands. I personally use Wellbeing
Therapy.
triple magnesium complex. So it has 3 forms of magnesiums in it, and it's pretty good till now. Haven't gotten a chance to explore other brands though, but I think we do have good magnesium brands in the market, and it's very important to have it because first you have better quality of sleep, you have better muscle recovery, you have better cognitive functions, and thirdly your gut is very good.
If I want some advice, like suppose I don't go to gym or I don't do some kind of fancy diets, but I just want a sustainable body that is healthy, I can feel better. What kind of advice would you give?
I will give wake up early.
Okay.
That's something you can do on your own.
Mm-hmm.
Move comfortably around 8,000 steps a day. And make sure all 3 major meals have protein and do strength training 3 times a week.
Okay. And if they don't go to gym or something, home workouts, what do you reckon?
They can do body weights.
Okay.
You have a lot of links available and videos available on YouTube. You can do body weights. That's okay.
Let's shift towards the hormonal side that you are much more comfortable regarding. So what are the problems that women face around, maybe if they are obese in the childhood that you said you face the same problems? What kind of hormonal shift happens at that time?
See, the biggest problem that starts with is anxiety issue when you are fat, right? You are not confident in front of people, right? And with that, the estrogen, progesterone imbalances that comes up that makes you underconfident. Yeah, so these are the emotional effect of that. But the normal effect, if you say medical effect, it is going to be problems like PCOS, PCOD, right?
What are they?
PCOS and PCOD, I believe, is no disease. It's a lifestyle disorder. बच्चों को हमारी जनरेशन में हमारे पेरेंट्स इतने अवेयर नहीं थे तो हमको शुगर बहुत कम उम्र से देना स्टार्ट किया है. आजकल के पेरेंट्स को 5 साल तक नमक और शुगर देते ही नहीं है.
वाटरमेलन केक. I was like, मतलब बर्थडेज होती है तो वाटरमेलन का वो काट रहे हैं, वाटरमेलन खिला रहे हैं, ऐसे ना शुगर मतलब उसमें
या
कम
सो उसमें हाँ तो नाव तो पेरेंट्स आर दिस अवेयर. हमारे टाइम पे इतना अवेयरनेस नहीं था, राइट? तो अभी की जो जनरेशन है प्लस इंस्टाग्राम accessibility, right? So kids are going to ask. So sugar is creating a lot of insulin sensitivity in the body. So PCOS and PCOD is a lifestyle disorder because kids are sleeping late, eating junk, having lot of refined sugar, refined flours, right? बर्थडे पार्टी इतनी फैंसी हो गई है, बच्चा हर अगले दिन बाहर बर्थडे पार्टी में जा रहा है. फ्रेंच फ्राइज इज द स्टेपल फूड जो देना ही नहीं चाहिए,
Why is
right?
that?
Because
Ultra
it's
processed?
fried potato and it's frozen. Anything that comes out of a packet is not good for your system.
So how one can make sure that they are not eating too much ultra processed food?
Make sure that you eat majorly home cooked foods.
That we don't want to eat basically. Everyone wants to go out at some point.
Yeah, exactly.
and,
But people don't want to feel. मैं तो यही बोलती हूँ हर एक इंसान को 21 दिन अच्छा खाना खाओ जो मैंने अभी बोला. 21 दिन and see how your body beautifully changes. Nobody has felt this change. मैं आज willingly बाहर का खाना छोड़ सकती हूँ कि मुझे खा के जो फीलिंग आ रही है ना वो मुझे फीलिंग नहीं चाहिए. I would taste, but I will not hog.
Why is like PCOS and PCOD becoming very common?
Again, because people are messing up with their sleeping schedule, kids are not working out, lack of physical activity because all the time they are on screens.
मतलब उसका अपने तोड़ क्या हो सकता है, कहने का मतलब कि
बच्चों
more
को
physical
अवेयर
workouts?
करो, फिजिकल वर्कआउट, फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज में डालो. पहले तो हम क्या था, नीचे खेलने जाते थे,
हाँ, very true.
भाग जाते थे, राइट? मतलब टीवी तो था ही नहीं, होता तो मार पड़ती, ठीक है, तो वो तो था नहीं, तो वी यूज्ड टू गो आउट, राइट? नाउ इट इज मोर अबाउट स्टेइंग इनडोर्स, डूइंग दिस,
PlayStations and stuff.
PlayStations, screen time, sugar, processed food, cakes, pastries, pizzas, sub. So the kind of things that are going on in their lifestyle that is triggering PCOS. People have always link पतला होना और शुगर खाना दोनों डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड. मतलब पतले हो तो शुगर खा सकते हो, मतलब आप पतले हो तो आप हेल्दी हो. वो जो पतला है ना वो भी PCOS या PCOD से जा रहा है, बट आपको पता नहीं है. उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो शुगर खा सकता है.
PCOS में मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स क्या आती है, मतलब what kind of problems does a woman face?
So PCOS is a hormonal imbalance where your cycles are not regular.
Okay.
As a byproduct, you will feel anxiety issues. You will be underconfident. You'll have facial hair.
Okay.
Okay. कभी कभार hair loss भी होता है उसमें, right?
At a very young age.
At a very young age.
Oh.
Yes. So all these things, you have insulin sensitivity. You have a dark patches here.
Underarms and
Underarms
everything.
and
Yeah.
everything, right? So these are the symptoms where these are the signs that somebody is going through acne. These are the signs that somebody is going through PCOS.
So how do we, mitigate that basically by medicine or lifestyle change or what?
There's no medicine for this.
Okay.
Okay. वो जो 21 डे का हार्मोनल पिल आता है वो कोई काम का नहीं है, सिर्फ आएगा menses, but they are synthetic menses. They are not actual periods that you get. Okay, so that's one thing. So that is out of question. Unless and until you are planning something and you want it, that is different story. But otherwise, it's useless.
Okay.
Fixing the lifestyle is the only way out. Junk को बाहर निकालो, processed food मत खाओ, सोना टाइम पे करो, physical activity बढ़ाओ, strength training बढ़ाओ, सिर्फ cardio नहीं करो. ये सारी चीज़ें ही are the key to get out of that thing.
मेरे को लग रहा है फ्यूचर में अपने को ऐसे कुछ होना चाहिए कि जहाँ पे आप फिटनेस है ना अपने प्रमोट करें, लाइक मैराथन्स एंड पीपल आर डूइंग राइट नाउ, बट द सेम प्रॉब्लम दैट वी आर फेसिंग इज़ दैट इतने पोल्यूशन में आप यू आर रनिंग एंड हेल्थ आपकी अच्छी नहीं हो रही. बट वेर एज इफ़ यू सी अदर कंट्रीज मोस्टली पीपल आर गोइंग फॉर अ हाइक विद देयर चिल्ड्रन, छोटे छोटे बच्चे भी हाइक कर रहे हैं. कहने का मतलब अपने यहाँ पे कोई कल्चर ही नहीं है यार ये सारी चीज़ों का.
बट हाइक करने की फैसिलिटी भी तो नहीं है.
वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
I think then indoors, as I said, the quickest way to do is giving them steps target, treating them with something when they achieve something at the fitness level. ये baseline होना चाहिए कि this is from the awareness that a child also should grow. मतलब कि क्योंकि आप देखो वही कर सकते हो जो आपके पास एक्सेसिबिलिटी है.
बट
अब जैसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया है, यूएस है, यू हैव लॉट ऑफ हाइकिंग प्लेसेस. यू डोंट हैव दोज हियर. इफ यू गो टू प्लेसेस लाइक कसौल, मसूरी, you might find it, right?
वो
But
सब
here,
नॉर्थ में बेसिकली.
yeah. So in cities like ours, we don't find it.
Very true.
So all we can do is move and strength training.
बट थिंक दैट पार्क्स और वो सारी चीज़ें भी अभी कम हो रही मोस्टली राइट नाउ. मैं जहाँ पे रह रहा हूँ वी कैन सी सम ग्रीनरी बट ओवरऑल वहाँ पे भी साइट्स डेवलप हो रही है. सो इन फ्यूचर 5 years 10 years एवरीथिंग विल बी अ कॉन्क्रीट जंगल.
Yeah, it is.
So
It is.
that thing I'm very feeling sorry about कि भाई अपने को one.
नेचर नहीं
हाँ.
है, हम कहीं ऐसी जगह नहीं बना रहे कि ओनली प्लेसेस दैट आर ओपनिंग इज फूड कैफे, दैट्स ऑल. मतलब देयर इज नथिंग, बट देन आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट द पीपल आल्सो वांट. लोग कर रहे हैं बट लोग रिस्पॉन्ड भी तो नहीं कर रहे. तो हमें भी अवेयर होना है कि हम ये सारी चीज़ों को भी एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी लाए, क्योंकि वी नीड सम प्लेसेस लाइक दीज.
The one thing that I want to share is that the Gen Zs, my generation mostly are not into drinking and stuff. वो अभी इसीलिए हैनिकेन और वो सारी कंपनीज उन्होंने क्या कहते हैं ज़ीरो अल्कोहल वाली बियर्स वो सारी बाहर निकाली. बिकॉज यहाँ पे क्या है कि वी आर मोर रिगार्डिंग हेल्थ कॉन्शियस. अब कॉफ़ी रेव पार्टी हो रही है, कॉफ़ीज पी के सब मतलब नाच रहे गा रहे, वो सारा भी अभी ट्रेंड बढ़ रहा है. सो आई एम थिंकिंग वी आर गोइंग इन अ गुड डायरेक्शन.
It will take 10, 20, 30 years
Yeah.
to get at the right place.
We are far behind from the Western culture that we see on YouTube and stuff, and the way they are advanced in these levels. We are way far behind. If I talk about some eating habits, mostly Indians are very tense towards eating. If you come at my house, I'll like, let's go out for a dinner or lunch or something
Yeah.
like that. Why is that? अपने को सिर्फ खाना ही दिखता है. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कुछ भी हो गया तो क्या खाने जाना.
Khana is emotion for us. That's how we do it. The narrative is not wrong. खाना इमोशन हो सकता है, बट अब इसमें आपको क्या खाना है. अभी आप देखो तो एशियन काफ़ी बढ़ रहा है इन कंपैरिजन टू अदर हैवी डेंस फूड, राइट. सो आई ऑलवेज फील कि परफेक्ट मिक्स, हर एक चीज़ सिर्फ एक, मैंने वही बोला कि एक बैलेंस होना चाहिए. कि आप एक दिन ये भी खा रहे हो बट 2 दिन आप ये भी खा रहे हो. दैट्स बिकॉज इंडियंस को क्या है ना कि खिलाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. हमारे घर पे भी कोई आएगा तो वी हैव दिस हॉस्पिटैलिटी, हमारे जैसी किसी की नहीं है. सो वो हमारे कल्चर में है, बट हमने उसको कुछ ज़्यादा ही सीरियसली ले लिया है.
वो बात है
कि यू नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फूड दैट यू आर सर्विंग, how much, but then that is very much commercialized, and as I say, home cooked foods are the only thing that will help you to mitigate this thing.
डू यू थिंक कि अपने जो न्यूट्रिएंट डेंस फूड पहले जो अपने ग्रैंडफादर्स है वो सब खा रहे थे, उसकी क्वांटिटी और क्वालिटी कम हो गई है राइट नाउ.
It has.
सो बेसिकली वी नीड टू हैव मोर क्वांटिटी. जो आप ब्रोकली खा रहे हो, जो पहले जो ब्रोकली आती थी उसमें डेंस मतलब न्यूट्रिएंट डेंस ज़्यादा थे. नाउ यू नीड टू ईट मोर for the same
or
amount.
yes, or more, or add external supplements. The list that I gave you, right, that is because of that. पहले कौन लेता था ऐसा? कोई नहीं लेता था, राइट. अब्जॉर्प्शन लेवल भी नहीं होना. देखो, इट इज़ वन थिंग टू ईट द क्वान्टिटी. मैं कितना भी खाना खा लूँ, अगर मेरा बॉडी उस लेवल पे प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं है ना तो वो अब्जॉर्ब नहीं करेगा. तो वो भी पता होना चाहिए कि किस चीज़ को किसके साथ पेयर करना है, तो वो अब्जॉर्प्शन लेवल आएगा. लोग बोल रहे हैं मैं हर रोज़ 10 बादाम खा रहा हूँ चाय के साथ, तो कोई काम नहीं है. वो अवेयरनेस नहीं है.
मैंने देखा है कि मोस्टली जो जापानीज़ पीपल होते हैं ना उनका खाना भी राइस वाइस और सब. एशियंस अपने यहाँ पे राइस वो फिक्स रहता है, बट स्टिल जापानीज़ में कोई भी मेरे को ऐसा मोटा नहीं दिखा. चाइनीज़ में दिखते हैं बट जापानीज़
They
नेवर.
have lean fish also, ना, salmon and all.
बट साउथ का क्या लॉजिक है? अपने ऐसा बोलते हैं कि डोंट ईट राइस बिकॉज इट्स ऑल कार्ब्स ओरिएंटेड, बट साउथ में तो बेसिकली सब राइस ही खा रहे हैं तो भी दे आर नॉट गेटिंग दैट फैट एज कम्पेयर टू.
राइस इज नॉट योर दुश्मन.
ओके.
आप जितना राइस खा सकते हो ना, उतने जितना रोटी खा सकते हो वैसे ही उतना राइस खा सकते हो. तो राइस आपका दुश्मन नहीं है. पहली बात, राइस को कैसे खा रहे हो वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. अगर राइस को अकेले खाओगे तो उसका जीआई लेवल बहुत बढ़ जाएगा. राइस को सांभर चटनी डोसे के फॉर्म में, उत्तपम के फॉर्म में, इडली के फॉर्म में खाया, बट सांभर या चटनी के साथ खा रहे हो तो उसका ग्लाइसेमिक लोड कम हो जाएगा. तो वो उतना हार्म नहीं करेगा और उतना शुगर स्पाइक भी नहीं देगा.
ओके.
तो दिस नैरेटिव, मैं वही बोल रही हूँ कि आधा अधूरा ज्ञान है बाहर और वही प्रमोट हो रहा है, क्योंकि इसके अंदर कोई और नहीं जाता है.
सो लो जीआई फूड्स अपने बॉडी के लिए क्यों इतने इम्पोर्टेंट है? क्योंकि वो ब्लड स्पाइक नहीं करते इसीलिए?
ब्लड शुगर लेवल स्टेबलाइज रखता है इसीलिए.
ओके, मेक सेंस. और डायबिटिक जो होते हैं उनके लिए आप क्या रेकमेंड करते हो? क्या ऐसा कुछ है जो सुपर फूड्स जो वो ट्राई करे जिससे उनका डायबिटिक?
प्रोटीन फर्स्ट इज देयर फंडा.
ओके.
Simple. Protein, fats, and fiber first, then carbs. If a diabetic corrects its protein, their reports will get better. I have a client, she came to me at 7.6 H1BAC. 4 months into the program, corrected her protein, corrected her movement goals, balanced meals for like good 3-4 months. Her revised reports is at 5.6. She has
5.6.
she has got into a normal level.
Okay.
6 is borderline diabetic.
Yeah. And 6.5 or 7 is
Diabetic.
Okay, makes sense.
Same is with my dad.
Hmm.
So it's always about how you eat it.
How do you think that social media is playing the role in this all things? Because if we see someone, posting this kind of things, they go out, have fun, and subconsciously we also think that let's do this on the weekend.
सारा rat race का कबाड़ा ही social media का है ना. People want to do things that others tell them. They see on internet, but they don't want to go behind the scenes of that.
Because my bread and butter is social media, but I still recommend people to get detox from these things, man. Turn off your IG or Snapchat, something for a month. Don't come there, and the magic you will feel is something else, because you are more conscious regarding what you want, because you are mindlessly scrolling.
I agree.
10 seconds है कुछ और आ रहा है, 10 सेकंड के बाद कुछ और आ रहा है, कहने का मतलब इंस्टेड देयर आर सम एप्स एज वेल दैट अगर आपको स्क्रोलिंग की आदत है तो फिर वो मतलब चैप्टर्स आते हैं बुक्स के, तो आप छोटे छोटे चैप्टर्स रीड कर सकते हो. स्क्रॉल कर रहे हो तो कुछ नया चैप्टर आया, सो दैट्स व्हाई यू आर लर्निंग समथिंग न्यू.
So it's very important, and I'm glad that you, though being in this field, you promote this, because it's very important. People like you only can bring this awareness in this genre, right? I mean, लोग बोलते हैं अरे ये तो ये भी करेगा, but when somebody will start walking the talk, I always feel that you need to walk the talk. आज मैंने यहाँ पे जो भी बोला है वो कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है जो मैं नहीं करती.
Now let's shift towards anti-aging, because a lot of Indians now are obsessed with Korean skin.
भाई
Korean skin
साहब.
routine. What's that?
I don't know honestly, because I don't know. कोरिया की चीज़ कोरिया में से चलेगी.
उनका स्किन टाइप भी तो बहुत अलग है यार.
ये समझो,
अपने तो यार ऑयली स्किन
आप उपटन लगाओ, आप अच्छे हो जाओगे. आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है, राइट? आई मीन, put a good potato scrub and you will see that skin tightening, right? I mean, internet again, right? कोरिया की चीज़ कोरिया में चलेगी, उसका वेदर ऐसा है, उसकी चीज़ें ऐसी है. लोग माचा पे लगे पड़े हैं, बट माचा जापान में मिल रहा है. अभी it is said that matcha is not, I'm just shifting the topic, but just I got a reference. They are lacking in production of the matcha that world needs, because now everybody is after matcha.
वो टिकटॉक का एक ट्रेंड कहने का मतलब चल जाना है, फिर everyone
Exactly.
follows.
Korean skin trend is also something like that. कोरिया में जो राइस वाटर चीज़ है वो हमारी मम्मी बचपन में भी बोलती थी, बेटा भात नो ओसावेलू पानी लगा और तारी स्किन सरस थी जैसे. तब किसी ने नहीं सुना था.
अभी सब फैंसी हो गया.
फैंसी हो गया तो अब सब कर रहे हैं.
Same thing with my wife. When I tell her something that do this thing, it will work, and she's like, no. And after some reels, and she's like, I'm gonna do this now. And I was like, man, I was saying that way.
You should have said it in more like fancier way.
Okay, I'll try next time. Let's see how it goes.
Get your YouTube thing out in
Okay.
front of her. Then I think it should work.
Okay. So basically, I have seen a lot of people who are spending tremendous money on dermatologists or this kind of routine. They'll have the vitamin C serum, morning routine this, night routine this. I am like, shit, man. And the first thing what I feel is fix your diet, and 80% if you fix your diet, your skin will automatically react in a good way.
I agree.
And then after if you want to put vitamin C or something, it's good. Moisturizing is good, but people take it to the next level.
मतलब नहीं है.
हाँ, अभी ऐसा हो गया कि आप नाइकिया के शोरूम में कहीं पे भी जाओगे ना, डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स, ये है. आई एम लाइक, मैन, सीरियसली.
Yeah, that's a lot of fads going on in the market.
रेटिनॉल है, सनस्क्रीन, चलो इट्स गुड, बट पीपल आर यूजिंग रेटिनॉल एंड ऑल.
People don't know when and where to use what. ऑनलाइन देख लिया और कर लिया. कौन सी चीज़ किस चीज़ के लिए है वो भी नहीं पता है. That's very important.
रिएक्शन फिर बहुत ख़राब आता है, फिर प्रोफेशनल को आप कंसल्ट करते हो, वो बोल रहे क्यों किया. Do you have any particular supplements for anti-aging, or the things that you said before are good?
No other supplement. fix your diet. No sugar.
Mhm.
Sugar has to be 0 in your diet.
It's not possible technically. Yeah.
It is.
Is it? Because I have seen Bollywood actors and all eliminate sugar or salt before they have like their shoot, right?
It will have a beautiful impact. Your inflammation will go down to 0. Your skin texture will improve. Your skin complexion will improve. Your mood will improve. मैं ये नहीं बोलती कि एकदम 0 कर दो, पर मैं ये बोल सकती हूँ कि उसको bare minimum कर दो.
सॉल्ट का कोई ऑल्टरनेटिव है क्या? जो अभी
सॉल्ट
बोले
ज़रूरी
पिंक
है.
सॉल्ट और
सॉल्ट ज़रूरी है. डोंट हैव हैवी सॉल्टी थिंग्स. जब लोग बोलते हैं कि सॉल्ट बहुत नहीं लो, मतलब लेज मत खाओ, heavy salted snacks मत खाओ, but basic iodine and salt is needed. Yeah, but celebs do it because they want to look in a particular way, because salt retains water, and when it retains water, your sizes increases. They need to have that snitched look for a particular event, so they'll go for a no salt diet.
बिकॉज मोस्टली ऋतिक और वो सब जब उनका शूट होता है, जब 2-3 दिन का होता है कि जहाँ पे उनको अपनी
Yeah,
बॉडी
they have
विजिबल
to,
करनी है,
because
so
that's how the body loses water, right? Water अगर body में से retention निकालना है, तो you have to go for no carb and no salt diet.
बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ बॉडी बिल्डर्स ऑल्सो कंप्लेन दैट थिंग, यू नो, जब उनका स्टेज पे वो जब जाने वाले होते हैं तो उसके फ्यू डेज बिफोर वो कार्ब्स और वो सारी चीज़ वो बेयर मिनिमम कर देते हैं.
Yeah.
तो बोलते हैं उनका जो माइंड इतना मतलब
Irritated रहता है,
बहुत irritated.
because carb is a mood booster also, no? Hence I always tell, इसीलिए तो मैं ये बोलती हूँ ना कि PMS के टाइम पे फास्टिंग मत करवाओ. किसी भी इंसान को एक हद से ज़्यादा कार्ब निकाल दोगे तो they will have this irritability.
Okay. Do you have any advice to, you know, women or men, whatever, to have less stress in their mind, to be more, you know, mindful about it, or stoicism, और अभी जो philosophies चल रही है कि भाई, do you have anything knowledge about that?
I feel everybody needs to understand that stress is not good, and it's very important to calm their vagus nerve, because stress creates brain fog. Stress creates, it puts your system into a fight or flight mode, where जब स्ट्रेस होता है ना, पहले क्या था कि अर्ली मैन के ज़माने में जब स्ट्रेस होता था, मतलब आपकी जान पे आ रही है, मतलब देयर इज समबडी हु इज गोइंग टू कम एंड ईट यू, राइट? सो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम द ओनली thing that body does is pump blood to your heart. That's only thing that body does when you are in stress. अभी भी आप जब स्ट्रेस लेते हो तो
That's why your heart rate
increases,
elevates,
right?
Yeah.
But your body or your brain functions in the exactly way. तब उसको ये नहीं पता है मेरी सास ने ये बोला था तो ये हुआ, या मेरे बॉस ने ये बोला था तो ये हुआ, उसकी वजह से मुझे स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, या आपको आज ये पॉडकास्ट करना था उसकी वजह से आपको स्ट्रेस हो रहा है. वो ये नहीं समझेगा, तो तब भी वो ऐसे ही काम करता है कि वो आपकी बॉडी की सारे मेजर फंक्शन बंद कर देता है. और सिर्फ पंपिंग टू द हार्ट इज़ द ओनली फंक्शन दैट इट डज, बिकॉज सर्वाइवल इज़ द ओनली थिंग इट नोज टू डू एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. सो अब समझ लो, आप जितनी बार स्ट्रेस करोगे उतनी बार आपकी सिस्टम रिबूट पे चली जाती है. इट शट्स डाउन.
बट बहुत डिफिकल्ट है यार, मतलब स्ट्रेस को मैनेज करना, बिकॉज
प्रैक्टिस माइंडफुलनेस. इट हैज़ crazy and tremendous effect.
After doing meditation, you know, one thing I have learned is, you know, you can get knowledge regarding detachment, right? You detach from the results. Like if I'm doing podcast, if it's going good, bad, I don't know, it's detached from the results, that how much views I'll be getting. I'm just doing for my process. I'm just doing for the fun.
Enjoy the process.
Yeah,
गीता में लिखा था ना.
Yeah. Do you want to say something to our viewers?
You said everything.
Is it? So,
you answered it.
Is it? No worries. It was a lovely time, you know, talking to you, and
Same.
thank you for coming once again.
Thank you so much for inviting me. I had a fun time.